lalapugin kay katampo ng langit ay makapasalamatan at pinagkuhanan mga Paul Jeremy Lopez, Juanito Pista, at Smith and James Serrano, Jerome Malin, Crescent Cuenco, Violent Family, Maribek Cabi, Charito Gozon, Elmisa, Anthony and Catherine Martina, Maxine Sua, Rolando Romero, Reynan and Aiden David, Francisco Domingo Jr., Kenneth, Richalay, Rosel, Matt, Sidney, Eric, Fred, Frances, Aurora Domingo, Yuan, Mary Jane, Zach, Rich Tina, Wona, Nico, Mia, Roland, Son, Ivy, Gavi, Cassie, Calvin, Jeremy, JM, Daisy, Claire, Jose Ocampo, Peter and Aurora Turla, Ben and Glo Turla, Frederick and Jane Castro, Isa Suarez, Francisco Domingo Jr., Froilan Domingo, Lourdes Ocampo, Roy and Remy Between, JJ and Charmaine Between, Kate Regala, Annie Kakayanan, Thea J. Castro, Jimmy and Lou David, June Tolentino, Willie and Tess Payawan, Christine Joy Payawan, Ben and Luding Payawan, Orling Pajardo, Sherry Dutan, Paraking Kapasubliang Kayaduanandi, Ira Angeles, Pilar Ocampo, Frances Joy Ocampo, Fatima Judith Rueso, Corazon Barbasa, John Alfred Kayanan, April and Alfredo Kayanan Jr., Manuel and Arnold Kayanan, Ruth and Leo, Tate and Jay, Apollonia Rojas, David Family, Minerva Vista, Concepcion, Charmaine and Carissa Marie Vista, Ronilio and Jennifer Vista, Cecilia Cruz, Arcel and Shangri-La Gilas, Francilyn Gilas, Wilfredo and Mercedes Castro, Junsen Paul and John Patrick Passion, Leo and Chrissy Charing, Irene Castro, Roslyn May Between, Macmac, Jeannie and Sky Between, Erickson, Elicer and Edmond Ramos, Brian Datu, Adrian Malbar, Jonel Alvarez, Pauline Santos, Martin and Jem Palo, Nell, Arlene and Ferdy Nuki, Paul Wadman, Boyet, Roderick and Rexen David, Jason and J.R. Chua, Pablo and Reynalda Giao, Cons and Bless Apimuar, Patricia Gonzalez, Ethan David, Nicole David, Marita and Lito Paule, Nora, Nisha, Niel, Nixel Ocampo, Jolan Pineda, Melanie Dumpit.